everyone, welcome back to our channel. My dog is just jumping off the couch. I lost track. I said, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I don't know if you want to come back, but I hope you do. You know what I mean? Love you, love you, love you. I should have been a monk. I can do that monotone. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh, a gong. I need a gong. I need a gong. One of those little ones. Ding, ding, ding. I do. So today, did I say I was Diane? I don't know. That's who I am. So today I got my Look Fantastic box, which I have not looked at. There you go. I was really upset though because mine dinged. And I use these boxes as my giveaway boxes and different things. And mine is dinged. I'm not happy about it. But it's like the really plain box. Yeah. Normally they're beautiful. Of course, it's still got the edging and stuff, but normally they're beautiful. This one, not so much. There is beauty in simplicity. That's true. So I guess we're going with simplicity. Mine's broken. It's a good thing because I don't like this one very much. It's kind of ugly. And I know it's natural and I know it's environmental, so don't be coming after me, people. Doesn't mean I like it. It's ugly and I don't like it. And okay, let's show you what it looked like on the inside. There's that. We got our beauty book, which tells us what everything is inside, gives us helpful hints, advertises other products. You know, this one has healthy eating, healthy living stuff. I even got an elderberry smoothie recipe. Look at that. If I could get elderberry, I don't even know what an elderberry is. No freaking, ooh, there's raspberries in there and blueberries and blackberries. I don't see no elderberries. Does anybody know what an elderberry is? Maybe it's a blackberry. Maybe we call them blackberries. I don't know, because that's the only thing I haven't seen in there. Go and put my book on my thing. Next, we have our Elle magazine, which we get every month, which is awesome. You know, I forgot something, right? Look Fantastic is a British monthly beauty subscription box. And it comes with 6 premium or full-size products. It costs $20.50 Canadian, around $19 US, and it's worth around 50 pounds, which is, for me, around $75. And if you need it, there's a link down below where you can check it out if you would like. Am I caught up now? And no, I'm not saying that because I got the box for free. I pay for my stuff. Remember that. I pay. When I don't pay, and if I ever get something for free, I will be sure to let you know. But I get nothing for free at this point. Okay. So, you know what I mean. So there's Taylor Swift wearing the ugliest dress on the planet. Okay, is it just me or does that look like tissue paper? Right? Tissue paper. That's some ugliness. I don't know. The color's cute and I'm really into yellow at the moment, but that's tissue paper. Come on now. Taylor, that's an ugly dress. I don't like that. That's ugly. And this is how it comes. See, I didn't open it. Nope. It's still sealed. Let's open. Let's open and see what we got. Oh, everything's natural looking. Not my favorite box. And there she be on the inside as my dog jumps around. That's okay because you guys know I have a dog. There's that. Oops, stuff is falling out all over the gosh darn place. Let Diane put on her glasses. Because we all know I'm blind as a bat. Yep. Now, I had LASIK, so I can see far away. I just can't see close up to read anymore. Like, I'm blind. So weird. Okay, so the first thing we have is there it is, the Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream, worth $13.50. Create a hydrating veil over skin with this with this intense moisturizer, rich in hyaluronic acid. I can say hyaluronic acid, but I can't say molybdenum. That pisses me off. Whatever. Ugh. Improve the appearance of the complexion by locking in moisture levels beneath the skin surface, soothing irritation and plumping the skin. There you go. And then there's some extra tips in there for you. Well, I ain't going to put you revitalizing cream. I have makeup on. So there's that. What's next in here? This is the Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum, worth $11. Combat anti-aging and hyperpigmentation with this vitamin C infused repairing serum. Contains stabilizing vitamin C and melavoid. This serum works to reduce skin pigmentation and calm inflamed skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. This is more of something that I would give the kids because I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't even know what the hell it does. Is it for acne? Because it's saying something like, I don't know, maybe brown spots. I got some on my arms, but I haven't got them on my face yet. But I'm sure that's a-coming. I'm sure that's a-coming. Okay. Everything's like an all-natural kind of crap. It's not crap. This is my favorite box. For the price and everything, I like this one the best. Get a good variety of skincare, some makeup, and the products, I'm telling you, I use lots of them. And I'm actually ready to order some from their site. First time I'll ever do that. So that's how much I like it. This is peeling off a little bit. There's this. This is Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots, worth $6. Nope, £6, which is a lot more than $6, more like $9. Revive tired and flat hair with this 10-minute miracle worker that will add a boost of life into roots. This stimulating scalp mask revitalizes the scalp, lifts the roots so your hair appears bouncy and voluminous. I can say that too? Seriously. Infused with burdock root, hyaluronic acid, man, that stuff's everywhere, vitamins and caffeine. The mask creates a cooling sensation whilst creating a fuller and thicker appearance of hair. Now, this I do need. Remember we talked about the medicine making my hair fall out? Crap, I'll use this. Let's see what it feels like. Because I'm definitely going to use this. It's white, creamy. Smells like mint. Did it say there was mint in it? Like it smells like mint. Ooh, okay, I'm just going to tell you, it is strong smelling. If you don't like strong smelling. Woo! Damn, that's like... I put a little bit and that went far. That's good. So it'll go far. You know what I mean? Next we have Bellapierre Cosmetics. Have you guys ever heard of them? And mine is in the color Envy. I'm not sure I like that color. I'm not sure I like that color at all. So what they're showing in the book is a bright, vibrant red, which I would love. But this is like brown. And I just did a video where I tell you guys that I don't like purple lipstick and I don't like brown either. Like, I'm not a neutral. I don't like neutral lipstick at all. So I'm probably not going to open this. But I will show it to you because, you know, now I'm all disappointed. I shouldn't be. These are, you know, supposed to be a surprise. Bellapierre Mineral Lipstick in Envy. Enhance the lips with this Your Lips But Better shade of pink. Does that look pink to you? Don't look pink to me. A mineral lipstick formulated with natural waxes and mineral pigments. This smooth and silky 100% natural formula delivers long-lasting color without drying the lips. Apply to lips and reapply as needed. So this is like an all-natural thing. Don't smell like anything. I want the red. Okay, that's okay, people. That's okay. My doggy's jumping all over the place. Okay, then we got this. This is Nail-Bay Recovery Mask Sensitive Skin worth £4.95. £4.95. Or how did they say it in England? £4.95? Yep. Created for sensitive skin, this recovery mask from Nail-Bay contains softening and refreshing orange floral water, vitamin E, and moisturizing ingredients such as rice, poppy, and tiger nut oils to restore fatty acid levels in the skin. Ideal for soothing inflamed skin. This mask contains zinc oxide, which helps to enhance the skin's barrier and reduce redness. With 98.7% of the ingredients from natural origins and over 35% derived from organic farming methods. Wow, this is like organic. This mask is a natural skincare wonder. Okay, let's check that out. It's got a little doodaddy do that. No, it don't. It looks thick. It looks thick. Oh, and there's that. It smells like dirt. Yep, smells like dirt. Remember, they did say it's all from natural stuff. Maybe they use dirt. I don't know. I'm kidding. But it does smell like dirt. Dirt. Now it smells like grass. A little bit of bark. A little bit of dirt. A little bit of grass. And you think I'm making that up to sound funny? No, I'm being deadly serious. And there seems to be like a fragrance, maybe like leaves or something. I sound so stupid, but it's true. This goes on really nice. Can you guys see the difference in my hands? Because I actually can. I don't know if you can, but this one looks way more wrinkly. Where I put this one on, it doesn't. And I'm just saying that because it probably really hydrated it. That is amazing. That is amazing. If it's going to smell like dirt and stuff, I don't mind if it works that good. Nice. And this is the big puppy. What is it? It's heavy. Ugh, it's got stuff on it. It's got stuff on it. Maybe it's the dirt from that other thing. Ahava Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts worth £7. Experience the ultimate restorative soak. What? I lost myself. You see? With these natural Dead Sea bath salts, enriched with over 21 essential skin-friendly minerals, these salts can help to replenish skin and relieve muscle tension and inflammation, whilst simultaneously softening and hydrating skin. Contains magnesium, calcium, and potassium. This soap promotes a restful night's sleep. Ooh, I could use that. Immerse yourself in the Dead Sea healing waters with this spa-like salt soak that detoxifies and hydrates. Look, this stuff is good. I'm looking for... It's got a lot of different languages in it. What's in it? Ingredients. Marseillais Dead Sea Salt. That's all it is, Dead Sea. But where is it from? It's Israeli. I see that. I don't know. I was looking to see if it's really Dead Sea salts, but I don't know. But you get a decent amount in there. Oh, it doesn't have a seal thingy-jigger. You know, like a reseal thingy-jiggy? That's okay. Maybe you're supposed to use the whole thing. Yep, you're supposed to use the whole thing. £7 for one bath? £7, $9, $10. That's like $11 for one bath. Okay, that is like, wow, damn. Can you imagine paying like $11 for one bath? Whew. So I liked everything. No, I didn't. I didn't like the color of the lipstick at all. Actually, not at all. And I sound so picky. Everybody's like, you never liked the lipstick. Well, they keep sending me the wrong colors. I don't like bright pinks and bright colors like that. Although, Maybe blues and stuff I might try, but bright Barbie pink? No, I've never liked that though. I like some neutrals, but, and I don't like purple. So those are the only colors I don't like. I like any red, pink, mauve, even peachy. There's lots I do like. So just so happens that I just seem to be getting mostly colors that I'm not a huge fan of. But I'm not going to say this is a bad product because I don't like the color. No. I think everything is really good. I'm really happy. You know, and like I tell you guys every month, this is actually cheaper for me than Ipsy. And I think you get way better stuff in this than you do in Ipsy. Like, no comparison, really. For some reason, I seem to be getting, like, a lot of the same stuff. And I'll see some people, you know, after I do my video, I'll watch to see what other people get. And they're getting, like, way better stuff than I am. Like, they'll get a full size something here and there. And I don't tend to get that very... ever. Ever. And I keep getting watermelon stuff. Better not this month. It's April. I better not. Okay, so as I've complained and haven't talked about Look Fantastic, I really like Look Fantastic. This box did not disappoint. That cream dough, that went on nice. Didn't smell, you know, not like leaves and dirt, but it, yeah, now I smell like leaves. Smell like I've gardened. Like, you know, have you ever pulled weeds and then you get all the orange, greeny pulp on your hands? Not orange, greeny pulp. And then you smell your hands. It's like, oh, that smells like grass. It smells like that. So, I liked. So, for $20.50, 2 thumbs up. Really like it. My favorite box. You get the magazine. You get a very, very detailed description of every product. You get it in the most beautiful box other than this month. But I get it. They're going for environmental. Everything's organic and natural. And that's beautiful in and of itself, I guess. You know, I guess you just come to expect these brightly colored, beautiful, fancy boxes. And this one just comes and you're like, what? But it's good. So, until next time, bye.